Good day. We are the Group 1, and we are here for our research presentation. And I am your presenter, Heronda Ivan James P.
Jerusi Manuel.
Reyes Ryan Kevin.
Samuel Regis Santos.
And we are here to present our research entitled The Effects of Sleep Deprivation on the Academic Performance of Electrical Engineering Students. For the overview, there are 6 parts, namely introduction, second is the review of related literature, next is the methodology, next is the results, summary, and finally the references. For the research gaps, this research is specifically focused on electrical engineering students. Previous research on sleep deprivation has centered on medical, nursing, or general college students. However, there is limited research focusing on specifically on electrical engineering students, who often experience heavy workloads, late-night project deadlines, and mentally demanding coursework. This unique academic environment may produce different effects of sleep deprivation compared to other fields.
Now let's state the two primary problems that we seek to solve in this study. First one is, how may the respondents be described in terms of sex? The second one is, what are the effects of sleep deprivation in terms of academic performance?
And for the review of related literature, the first literature is from Anuha and Nikochka. According to Anuha and Nikochka 2019, there are common effects of sleep deprivation, such as feeling sleepy in the day, having lack of attention to something, and mood change. In addition, sleep deprivation can lead to long-term fatigue that affects how they work or the student's academic performance. On the other hand, to Godanya and Okashima, according to Godanya and Okashima 2021, it is said that insufficient amount of sleep can have an impact on academic performance, brain function, and their mental health. Also, the result shows that sleep deprivation can negatively affect the health of the people with sleep deprivation. It can also reduce the function of the brain and the physical activity of the person. And lastly, Makatangay et al. According to Makatangay et al. 2022, sleep deprivation is also cause of the struggling in remembering things as it affects memory and brain function of the students. Students are more likely to attain less information because of sleep deprivation. These studies conducted by researchers support each other by stating what are the effects of sleep deprivation that can affect students' academic performance, such as lack of focus, memory retention, and reducing brain function. This shows how proper sleep is necessary to students, as lack of sleep can decrease their academic performance. The seriousness of sleep deprivation on students is heavy, as they are prone to this due to heavy workloads and commitment other than academics, like work, household chores, and etc.
Methodology. For the research design, the researcher chose a quantitative research design because it is part of the requirements in the mathematics in the modern world subject. Also, based on previous research of Joshi et al. 2025, quantitative data is also used in this research to study the relationship between sleep deprivation and academic performance among college students. As explained by David 2025, Quantitative research is a method that includes statistics and numbers to collect precise, measurable data on a research paper. For the data collection method, this research will use a set of survey questionnaire and it will done due to the Google Forms. Google Forms. The survey questionnaires will consist of 19 questions to recognize the effects of sleep deprivation on the academic performance. For the sample selection, this study uses a convenient sampling in selecting the respondents. The selected respondents were the EE1C. For the data analysis, this paper will use a descriptive analysis to evaluate the effects of sleep deprivation on the academic performance of the students. As stated by Wolniak 2023, the goal of descriptive analysis is to give a clear and concise interpretation of the data gathered.
Now, let's tackle the results of the study. The sex of the respondents differs but almost similar in numbers, with the male being 58.3% and the female respondents with 40%, and the rest of the respondents who preferred not to say their sex.
And for the table 1, effects of sleep deprivation. The table shows the verbal interpretation of overall weighted mean, median, and mode of the effects of sleep deprivation to students, wherein sometimes in overall weighted mean, sometimes in median, and often in mode. Example of the sleep effects of sleep deprivation on electrical engineering students are: I fall asleep during classes. I cannot participate actively in class because I am sleepy. I feel tired during classes. And I struggle answering activities because I feel sleepy. It shows how sleep deprivation affects the physical aspect of the electrical engineering students in terms of focusing on the classes and the struggle of staying awake during lectures. Sleep deprivation does really affect the students in their academics.
The data in Table 2 presents the key findings on how sleep deprivation relates to the academic success of electrical engineering students. The researcher examined the overall measures of their feedback, the weighted mean, the median, and the mode, and across the board. The verbal interpretation was agree in every category. This tells us that students clearly recognize the negative impacts of poor sleep. Specifically, these results highlight that sleep loss directly impacts their ability to engage in critical thinking and maintain necessary focus when studying or taking exams. In summary, the findings formally establish that insufficient sleep is a significant and recognized barrier to optimal performance for the first-year electrical engineering students.
Summary. This study shows the negative effects of sleep deprivation on electrical engineering students, supporting the past studies that prove sleep deprivation can really affect students' performance academically. By the results, the researcher can assume that sleep deprivation is one of the reasons why students score lower on exams. The results prove that sleep deprivation is one of the root in the student loss of focus and struggle in critical thinking. The study also showed that the brain function of the students are also affected by sleep deprivation, causing them to struggle in answering activities and recitations. In this study done by the researchers, sleep deprivation showed its latent effects on electrical engineering students, which causes various negative repercussions in their daily lives. Their cognitive function as well as their overall productivity are affected by the lack of sleep.
In this study done by the researchers, deprivation show its latent effects on electrical engineering students, which causes various negative repercussions in their daily lives. Their cognitive functions, as well as their overall productivity, are affected by the lack of sleep.
This research may contribute to most of the students who experience this problem. Students can have a wider knowledge of the possible effects of sleep deprivation if now prevented. This study may provide various references for education for educators and students, providing them with enough knowledge about the problem.
Future researchers are recommended to scope a larger sample of students from different university courses and not only specific to electrical engineering of Bulacan State University. By this, it will allow them to grasp a larger knowledge about the effects of sleep deprivation on the academic performance of the students. Future researchers can also examine more factors about sleep deprivation, such as stress, workloads, and more by using different methods of gathering accurate data about this problem.
Future researchers may also use experimental studies to prevent this problem, and not just rely on the correlation of the effects of sleep deprivation on academic performance of the students. They can also test the brain function of the students by handing out quizzes about a certain topic.
This is the list of the references, and this is the end of our research presentation. And we thank you for your time and for your cooperation and listening.